Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted videos. Sometimes we accidentally or we mistakes we deleted videos. If you want to be recover your all deleted videos or restore your all deleted videos, so I'll show some process. You can follow my all process. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Play Store.
Click on it.
And search deleted video recovery, restore deleted videos. Deleted video recovery, restore deleted videos. Scroll down. Here you can see, click on it. Here you can see deleted video recovery, restore deleted videos. Please install it and open it. And here you can see restore deleted videos from your phone storage, remember. And then here you can see restore option, click on it. And here you can see allow video recovery to access photos, media and files on your device. Allow, click on it. Here you can see deleted files found. Files means your deleted videos. Files mean your deleted videos. And here you can see scanning completed, 184 deleted files found. That's mean 184 deleted videos found. Show deleted files. Files mean videos. And then click on it. And here you can see restore deleted videos. And here you can see 41 files. That's mean 41 videos recover or restore, 17 videos recover or restore, 1 videos recover or restore, 6 videos recover and restore, 5 videos recover and restore, 35 videos recover or restore. And scroll down and here you can see your all deleted videos recover or restore, and you can click on it. Here you can see your all deleted videos, you can see, and click on it. And then here you can see restore now option,
Click on it.
here you can see confirm external storage access. Please follow below instruction to grant permission to restore the selected files. You can follow all process. And here you can see grant permission option, click on it. And then here you can see 3 button option, click on it. And then here you can see SD card option, click on it. And then here you can see select option, click on it. And here you can see restore to deleted video recovery. Your deleted video restore or recover your phone storage. Your phone storage folder name deleted video recovery. Minimize it. Go to your phone storage. And here you can see my phone storage. Open it. And search deleted video recovery folder. Here you can see deleted video recovery folder, open it. And here you can see my restore deleted videos. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.